What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful at dinner time with super easy and delicious recipes. I am very excited to share this recipe with you today. We're gonna make a skillet dirty rice and beans with beef smoked sausage. It all comes together in one skillet. You are gonna use just white rice. You're gonna use beef smoked sausage, some kidney beans, onions, garlic, diced tomatoes, and it's all gonna cook in a super savory, Cajun seasoned broth. Oh, just infuses everything. You're gonna absolutely love it. So stick around today. We're gonna make a skillet dirty rice and beans with smoked beef sausage. All right, you're gonna start by dicing up about 1 cup of yellow onion. And I gotta say, this little vegetable chopper that I got for Christmas is one of my new favorite kitchen gadgets. I'm not a super kitchen gadgety person, but this is knockout. It makes chopping onions so incredibly easy. So get those onions softening in a pan and then add in about 3 plump garlic cloves. Then you're gonna cut up a 12-ounce fully cooked smoked beef sausage. You could also use an andouille sausage if you prefer that flavor instead, but you'll wanna cut this up so that it is in like bite-sized chunks, something that's like around a 1/2 inch per piece. Now get that added in with the onions and the garlic and let that start to warm through. Now we're gonna add in some seasonings. You're gonna do 1 teaspoon of a Cajun seasoning. I'm using a Louisianna fish fry Cajun seasoning, which contains salt. Use whatever Cajun seasoning you like, but if it does not contain salt, then go ahead and add about a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Then you're gonna add a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and of course, a pinch of red pepper flakes. If you really like it spicy, then go ahead and add in some cayenne pepper. Get that all stirred around. Then you're gonna stir in 1 cup of long grain white rice. If you choose to use a different type of rice, your cooking time is going to be different, and possibly your liquid measurement. This recipe was written and tested with long grain white rice. So go ahead and stir that around the pan, and then we're gonna add in a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Do not drain that can. You want that tomato juice in with the rice. Then you're gonna add in 1.5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. Give that a really good stir so that all of the rice grains are submerged in the liquid. Then once that pot is simmering, you're gonna pop that lid on and let it heat over low heat for about 20 minutes. Do not peak. You want that rice to cook. Then once that 20 minutes is up, you can go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it sit with the lid on, again, without peaking, for 5 minutes. Then you can remove that lid and we're gonna stir some red kidney beans right into the pot. If you wanna use black beans or a different type of bean, absolutely go for it. This is looking so good. Everything is warmed through. I'm gonna give it a little taste, see if I want any more seasoning, any more spice. If I want a little heat added, I can add a little cayenne pepper, a little more red pepper flake, but I wanna taste it for a little salt content and spice. Ooh, that is just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on the table. We're gonna have dinner, and I hope that you give this skillet dirty rice and beans with beef smoked sausage a try in your kitchen, and it helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We would love to have you subscribe to the channel and join us next week for another video. Until then, have a wonderful week ahead. See ya.